Hello friends, myself Sibraj Singh. I am from Nabrangpur. Today is Puspuni festival. People are celebrated Puspuni festival in our village. Puspuni festival is a traditional festival of Western Odisha. It is celebrated by farmers to welcome the new agriculture season. Farmers worship their cattle, flocks, and farming tools. It shows respect to the nature, animals, and agriculture. In local area, people are visit door to door and collect rice, money, or share happiness. Welcome all of you. Enjoy your day and stay happy. Thank you.